Hello everyone, my name is Ujjwal Solanki and I am a student of International Institute of Professional Studies DIVV Indore, currently pursuing Masters in Technology in the field of Information Technology. And this video is my cloud computing assignment under the guidance of Dr. Vivek Srivastav sir. First of all, what is cloud computing? The term cloud refers to a network or the internet. It is a technology that uses remote servers on the internet to store, manage and access data online rather than local drives. The data can be anything such as files, images, documents, audio, video, and more. In this video, we will deploy an Strapi app on AWS EC2 service. But before that, let's see what is Strapi. Strapi is an open source headless CMS content management system that enables developers to build APIs quickly and easily. It provides a user-friendly admin panel to manage and publish content and allows developers to create and manage APIs for different platforms and applications. Strapi is built on Node.js and uses plugin-based architecture, which means developers can extend its core functionality using plugins and add custom features as per the project requirements. Uh, the steps we have to follow to deploy our app on AWS EC2 service. Step 1. Launch an EC2 instance on AWS console and make sure to select the appropriate instance type and configure security group settings as per the requirements. Step number 2. Connect to the EC2 instance using Secure Shell SSH from your local machine to perform command line operations on the remote server. Step number 3. Once you have access to the remote machine, install all the necessary dependencies that your Strapi project requires, such as Node.js, MongoDB, and other dependencies. Step number 4. Follow the official Strapi documentation to create a new Strapi project. Use the CLI to configure the database and install necessary plugins and create a new project using the following command: npx create Strapi app my project kickstart. Step number 5. Navigate to the newly created Strapi project directory and run the project in development mode using the following command: npm run develop. We have logged into the AWS account and now we are creating EC2 instance. For that, click launch instance. After entering here, provide our instance and name. We giving it Strapi. Basically, instance is VM that our cloud provider gives. Now we have to select the operating system. Here I am using Ubuntu. Now we have to select instance type. You can see T2 nano, T2 micro, T2 small. We are selecting T2 small because Strapi needs more storage and memory, and Strapi documentation suggests us to use T2 small. But if your project is different, you can go for other type. Now key pair. We are using existing key pairs. You can create new. It is used to connect to your instance. In network security, there is a security group. It is defined for traffic. Just open the HTTP and HTTPS port to use our website. Right now I am using existing one. We can leave configure storage as it is. Now click on launch instance. It's success. Now let's connect our VM to local server through Terminus. I'm using Terminus because it is handy and provide good UI and easy to maintain. To connect to Terminus, copy public IP address. Go to Terminus. Now Go to Terminus. Now we are going to SSH into our AWS server. Paste address in hostname. I'm pasting in existing, but you can create new host and paste in it and save it. After this, start running it. I am using Terminus. If you want, you can use PowerShell. Just open your instance and click connect. Then we will see the command to connect through PowerShell. Just paste in it in your PowerShell. Now we have connected to EC2 service using Ubuntu. Once you are here, you can do anything you need. Like you can push Node.js apps or create starter apps with different cloud services like Heroku. Right now we are doing Strapi App. Let's install Node through following commands. And you can find all the commands in the description of the video. Now we are doing sudo apt get update for update all the dependencies. Now we are using commands to install Node. I will provide all the commands in the description of the video. nvm.sh for shell and nvm install node to install. Now update all the dependencies. Now we will create our Strapi app by command npx create Strapi app at latest my project quick start. It will create our app. Okay, here we got an issue. It's saying you are running Node.js 19.8.1 and Strapi requires Node.js 14 to 18, between 14 to 18. So let's install version 16th. Let's check the version of our node by command node-v. It's saying our version is 19.8.1. Let's change it. Node change version. Okay. So we are using nvm use 16. It's suggesting us to use nvm install 16 command. Now it's done. Now we use nvm use 16. Yes, it's saying our version is 16.20. Now clear. Now we can use our command. So we use our command npm create Strapi app at latest my project dash dash quick start. Okay, it's working this time. It's installing all the dependencies. When all the dependencies are getting installed, we put our IP address and open our app on browser. We used the IP address, and after that we use the default port number, which is 1337. It's saying this site can't be reached this time right now create because our app is not yet created. Once it is done, our app will be open. Now it's showing us all the commands. uh, we can use npm run develop to open. Right now our app is not opening, so let's npm run develop. It will giving us a error. we have to we have to go inside my project. Now npm run develop. Now it's done. It's showing us all the project information, and on browser our app is working.